Hello my lovelies, welcome to Dear Denise Kitchen, and today we are preparing what I call base salad. Okay, this base salad comes in a lot of varieties depending on what is in my fridge and my cupboard. So I just want to share one of them with you today. So if you're interested, stay tuned, and these are our ingredients. So most often when I get home from work, I am very tired and could eat anything I come across. And I mean cat, dog, horse, whatever. So, to combat that, I ensure that I always have something healthy in the fridge. Always a healthy option in the fridge, so I can have that instead of, we tend to gravitate towards what we know is not good for us. And it's human nature. Anyway, so what I tend to do is have this in my fridge, and I call it a base salad. Base salad simply because I can dress it up whichever way I want, add whatever I want to with it, or do whatever. It gives me a variety of options. So I tend to make this quite often, and it's all dependent on what is available in my fridge and in my cupboard. I just throw it all together. If I have chickpeas, I add that. I add green onions, whatever. So I want you to take this as, an idea that you can develop on to make whatever that you want. Just to have an healthy option in your fridge for when you get in and you're really, really hungry and you can eat a horse. Anyway, we are going to wash our beans. What I do is I run water over them under the tap, and just to wash everything off it, and then just add it to the salad. We are going to just cut up these avocados, and I'm going to peel them and just cut them into cubes, and then literally bathe all of them in lemon juice. And I mean bathe them in lemon juice just to prevent it from turning black. And then I'll add that to the salad. So just a gentle reminder, do like, share, subscribe, okay? If you enjoy simple, quick recipes like this, do let me know in the comment down below, and I will bring you more. Okay, but regardless, I want to hear from you what you think about this recipe. Now let's have a close-up here. Look at this. Isn't it beautiful? Don't you want to tuck in? So yummy and colorful. So over here, we're just going to stir it up. Stir it all together, and we're going to add some more lemon juice to it. You can mix it all separately, but I just pour it on. I put lemon juice, some olive oil, some black pepper, and if you like, you can add some balsamic vinegar, and that will make it so tasty. Anyway, but this is a base which is going to be in the fridge, so we can always add other things to it. This is great with grilled chicken or baked chicken on its own, or you can have some bulgur wheat, or whatever that you like. You can just mix it up, and it's a very, very healthy option. But today I am going to have mine on leaves of spinach and lettuce. These are in my fridge as well. I tend to just clean some spinach and some lettuce and keep them in the fridge also, so I can grab them to add to my salads or sandwiches or what have you. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm having a rather large bowl because this is going to fill me up, and then I don't feel like having anything else, So this is what I had today. And then the next day, I put that in the fridge. The next day I had it with some rice and chicken stew. And to some pita bread, I added some mayonnaise. I just spread some mayonnaise in there. I added some of the lettuce and then proceed to add some of the salad into it. This was for B. He loved it. You know, I just stuffed it up, and then I added some more lettuce and some carrots for him, and that was his delicious lunch. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for today. Until next time, bye for now. Don't forget to leave your comments. Ciao.